I designed a custom shell system for one of my favorite looking trucks, the Ford Raptor. Because of its short 5.5-foot bed, truck camping in a standard fiberglass cap is a challenge. That's why I designed this manufacturable, all CNC cut, 3D parametric shell system that adds a 3-foot slide out right over the tailgate while keeping the weight under 300 pounds. The system can be configured to work on almost any truck with horizontal bed rails and a tailgate, including the Tacoma, Tundra, and even the Ford Maverick. I'm keeping the outer shell at 33 inches tall and the outer walls just a little wider than the outer bed rails. This should make for a very aerodynamic profile. The weight of the outer shell is 155 pounds and the slide out is just under 100 pounds before painting and sealing. The truck is currently in driving mode with the slide pushed in and the tailgate up. Once the slide is fully extended, we can slide the 2 other bed platforms into place and fold out the trifold mattress. The trifold mattress can be folded up into a couch for hangout mode. This will provide plenty of storage space for camping gear under the bed platforms. There is room on the sides of the mattress for a bed bumper, which would allow for an infant, toddler, or a small child. Then there is an extra 2 feet of space at the end of the bed. The inner slide can be removed by 2 people and stored in the garage when not in use. With the inner slide removed, the outer shell could be fitted with a soft topper-like rear window for a covered cargo area. The inner slide could also be locked in an extended position while driving to provide even more covered space for hauling large items like sofas or 4x8 sheets of plywood. I want to show that the 3D rendering behind these animations is more than just a hypothetical concept, but it's a manufacturable-ready camper shell system that can be customized for each build in any truck with horizontal bed rails and a tailgate. We are working with contract manufacturers that know how to cut and ship these parts. We will provide a DIY route with video instruction on how to build these campers. Do-it-yourselfers can apply to become makers once they've proven out a build, allowing for local makers to assemble these for customers wanting a turnkey solution.